Alright, so hey guys, I want to go in the middle of these two 4x4s, and these are 8 feet, and I measured, got about 63 inches. So to get to the middle of here and here, where that is, this is about 11 inches, a little more than 11 inches, and the other side is 11 inches. I could go this way or that way to be a little bit more precise, but the blocks keep moving. So now, guys, what I'm doing is building this where this body is sit on this structure and hold it in place. So I'm gonna have to go up a little, not too much here, but here look like I'm gonna have to go up about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches on this side to get these, and these are 31 inches. So I'm hoping that's high enough. So now what I gotta do, I'm gonna start anchoring these up here, guys. Alright guys, so I marked this up here, and then I did both sides. So now I want to come in and sit these on top of here. Line these up. Alright, then I got these real long anchor screws. Now see, they're not going down far enough, so I'm gonna get a big drill bit because I want these to sit flush. So before I do the other side, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna drill a little hole, a little indentation in there. Alright, so I just wanna put a small indentation in there. Alright, so that went down far enough. Alrighty, now I gotta just take the other two out on the other side. Oh, I didn't even show. But alright, so anyway, see they down in there now. So I gotta take these two back out and drill them open just a little bit. Alright, so I got that drilled out. Alright, see now that's down low enough. So now that's flush, guys. Alright, so that's done now. Alright, so now I'm going to flip this over So thanks, Scotty. My guy Scotty made these up for me. So, look at that. He wasn't even here, he just did them. That's just how good he is, guys. Scotty's Home Repair. If you need something done and you're in the Racine, Milwaukee, I don't know if you go to Milwaukee, but Racine, the Kenosha area, Scott's Home Repair. He'll get it done for you. So anyway, he cut them up for me. So now, I just want to put these in. Trying to see how I want to, where I want these to go. Yeah, that lifted up. Yeah, that didn't work. Alright guys, just called Scotty. The other one cracked on me. So Scotty say pre-drill the holes. That's what you do. You pre-drill the holes. You don't question what he says. So let me get this a try now. All right, let's try this out now. I'm gonna actually go up here first. Okay, that works. Scotty said pre-drill the hole. Pre-drill the hole. All right, so I'm out of these, so I'm gonna have to go and get me some more. All right, guys, so I got all of these braces on the bottom for both sides. So now, I just want to come in, line this up where I want it on each side. Okay. All right, so about right there. Right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just put a couple of bolts, a couple of these screws, and what I'm using, guys, these big anchor screws here. So these are like 6 inches. Alright, so we'll put a couple of these in. Alright, now I gotta go do the other side real quick. I'm not gonna take the camera around there, guys. Alright guys, so this is how I got this set up. I didn't film some of it because it was just too much drilling and everything. I just want to get this brace up under here, but I'm gonna go up under now, and I gotta put these supports right in this area here on all 4 sides. So I'm gonna crawl up under here now and get this secure now. I still got the frame supported, guys, and then I got the back support. I'm gonna raise that up a little back there. And then I still got, even though this is actually, if you see, this is actually supporting this now. You see, that's not even touching at this point. But I'm pretty secure that I can go up under here and this ain't gonna cave in and fall in on me. I'll raise these up if they'll go up anymore, but I still got the jack stands and up under the front end and the rear end, so I'm not really worried about nothing caving in on me here, guys. So alright guys, I got all the braces in there. That one came out the side, that ain't cool. But yeah, I got all the braces on there all the way around here. So it's on the body, so I'm gonna be dropping this thing down tomorrow, getting this frame up out of here. And then I'll be able to go up under and start getting these, the bottom of these floors. Getting the bottom of these floors painted up, guys. So you think it's gonna hold up?
I don't know. We'll see.
Huh?
We'll see.
What you up to today? Is it sturdy enough though? Want me to jack it up a little? See what you think?
Yeah, hold on.
I thought I wanted these higher though. You think that's good?
Well, look at your video. This is exactly how they are.
No, they have more room in it.
No, barely.
Huh?
Barely.
They have more room in it, Scotty.
Can you jack it up? Oh.
The frame, man,
Want to wait on?
huh? Too old for this, Scotty.
You still gonna meet in time?
Huh?
You still gonna have this done in time?
My body hold up. Keep doing all this stuff myself. You wouldn't even go around and get the other side for me real quick. See what I'm saying? You worse than the good son. Push that one forward just a little bit.
Do what?
The jack stand, can you push it forward just a little bit?
This one?
Yeah, just a little bit. All right. So now it's off of there. What you think? You think it's sturdy enough?
Yeah. You know,
Huh?
probably take those 2x4s and just like put them back in these two together.
Ah,
Right at the top, you know?
okay.
And then maybe like once you get this frame out or something, connect this one to that one over there.
I was actually gonna just take these jack stands and put them up under here again.
Oh, you ain't gonna do that.
You say connect them, but
You want to
I gotta roll up under there.
No, yeah.
Connect them here.
Connect here so these don't screw
Right,
apart.
right.
Right now, if you're just so easy.
Oh, okay. So then should I put some more of these right here to stop that, or just probably just easy to put one like 2x4, huh?
Yeah, just throw a 2x4 across the top here.
Okay.
Just so it doesn't spread. If you're like push this,
Push what?
like the car, the body. probably still after it.
Oh no, I'm not pushing the body.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you're talking about if I
Accidentally.
bump it or something,
Like,
okay.
if you bump it hard enough, like pushing it backwards or something.
Oh, okay.
It is sturdy, but
Alright. Well, thanks for, I don't know what those called, braces or what? These braces? Yeah, I appreciate that.
oh, you're really that old. You can
I'm
only grab
getting
one.
old, Scotty.
You can only grab one.
I'm getting old. Let me show you how to measure. Put that on there, then you find a pencil. Where my pencil at?
Measure.
That's how you do it?
Done.
Yeah, take it, do it on the side. What you waiting on?
Huh?
You know how to do it. That side cracks, so what side you want to cut off? The crack side?
That's fine.
You sure that's gonna hold up?
Yeah, I'm not the one making it.
What you mean you're not the one going up under there?
It's fine.
What's wrong with
You
you?
ain't got no, like, other screws? Those are way too big. Oh, these are good, yeah.
Look, I'm almost out. Alright, so that's that body on this frame. I know this looks dangerous back here, guys, but I'm gonna put the support back way at the back, just you know, you never know, but it shouldn't be going nowhere. But I know it might would have been best to try to brace it right up in here somewhere, but it's really not enough brace in there for me. I guess I could have put it right here. Now that I'm looking, I didn't see that before. But the way I'm gonna do this, I'll support it back here anyway, so that way it won't be tilting back on me, guys. But all right, so that's how that all looked there, guys. So let me go on and support this back here, and then well, on to the next. All right, all things good.